Dorman Products March 2015 Top Parts Overview Video, a monthly announcement on new, formerly dealer-only parts. Think it's dealer-only? Check Dorman first. With over 10 SKUs available, our growing category of spare tire hoists now offers coverage for Ford F-150 and Lincoln Blackwood applications from 2004 to 2000. Our spare tire hoists feature a coating designed to prohibit the corrosion and rust associated with original hoists. All our spare tire hoists are direct replacements and ensure a proper fit every time. Save time and money with our Exhaust Manifold Clamp kits. Now you can easily repair exhaust leaks without removing broken manifold bolts. For added convenience, our manifold clamp kits includes all necessary components required for installation, offering repair solutions for over 9 million popular GM applications on the road today. Our direct replacement integrated door latch actuators are now available for Chrysler and Dodge applications from 2010 to 2005. With over 200 SKUs available, our integrated door latch actuators feature a high-quality electric motor, restoring the ease of conveniently locking and unlocking vehicle doors. Also new this month is our offering of injector feed lines for Dodge Ram 2500 and 3500 applications from 2009 to 2003. Our injector feed lines are complete kits containing everything needed to replace highly rust-prone original lines. Our growing category of Evap Canisters now covers popular Toyota applications from 2004 to 2000. This direct replacement has been redesigned with an extra hose, resulting in the consolidation of two OE parts into just one part. Original canisters commonly fail due to cracking that allows fuel vapor to leak into the atmosphere, causing the check engine light to illuminate. We now offer high and ultra-high brightness LED bulbs in the aftermarket for a variety of bulb types and vehicle applications from 2013 to 1960. With over 20 SKUs available, our LED bulbs use surface-mounted LED technology to provide the most LEDs in the smallest footprint possible. The result is a brighter and more compact bulb that is more resistant to vibration damage. Also available in this month's announcement are intercooler boot kits, leak detection pumps, high-intensity discharge control modules, power steering lines, axle bushings, and bumper covers.